Is the ported LT4 throttle body worth getting on the C7 Z06? Today, we're gonna find out. So this is a very easy 15-minute direct plug-and-play mod that you can do with no tune required to get 12 to 15 rear wheel horsepower and torque gains. Because the throttle body is ported, you are gonna get more airflow and horsepower on your C7 Z06. And it has been proven on a dyno sheet. I'll link everything below in the description so you guys can see for proof. I'll let you know in all honesty if it's worth the money or not. With that being said, we're gonna take out the stock throttle body and show you a side-by-side comparison. So the mod is very easy to do. All you gotta do is just take off this clamp, and then you do have 4 10mm bolts you're gonna take out. Once you do that, if you come down there, you're gonna see a clip. You're gonna take this out, and then from there, you can simply pull out the throttle body. So here we have both throttle bodies side by side, and you can see on the stock throttle body, there's this inner ridge, which is blocking a lot of the airflow. On a Tony Mamo throttle body, you don't have that ridge. It's completely smoothened out. So now that we got that out of the way, we're gonna go ahead and install this. Now that we got the ported Tony Mamo throttle body installed, we're gonna go on a test drive and see if we notice a difference. First, I'm gonna go on a light drive. I'm not gonna full throttle it just yet. And then we're gonna go do some pulls and see if I can tell a difference. Okay, from first to second gear, I noticed a little bit of like more throttle response, but it might be too early to tell. Holy shit, okay. Yeah, you know what? It honestly, yeah, I could definitely feel more throttle response, 100%. I've been driving this car for 6 years. Yeah, this honestly. Oh, okay. The Tony Mamo ported throttle body makes a difference. You know, I thought at first, because the manual C7s have this like dead stop kind of feel. When you go into first gear and you creep forward, sometimes it's a little sluggish. I still kind of have that on the car, but I'm noticing when I throttle the car, when I do a slight little pulls, it picks up faster. The RPMs go up quicker. That for sure, no doubt. If I had to give you a percentage on how much of a difference this makes, I would say about 30%. It's nothing game changer, crazy or anything, but it's just extra oomph to the car. I could definitely feel the power difference. Wow. So my passenger, he's been with me before I installed the NX supercharger lid, and before I did all the mods, and now with the throttle body, he says that he hears more supercharger whine, and so do I. Do I think it's worth the price tag for like $450, $500? Honestly, yeah, I would do it. Damn. Holy shit, Red. This shit is insane. Dude, this shit is insane! Wow! Wow! Where do we go from here? What do we do next? Pulleys? What's next?
I don't know.
This is insane.
Dude, 100% at this like RPM, what are you, 3K RPM?
Yeah.
You hear it more.
Yeah. Definitely more airflow, more supercharger whine, everything. That downshift a second and pulling, like stepping on it, dude.
Yeah.
We'll probably need to pull over. If I get a ticket, I'm gonna be like, I'll pay it. It's just a throttle body. I don't drive this crazy, but every time there's a new mod, dude, wow. This is insane. Yeah, you can.
Told you.
I wanna cry. This is insane. Wow.
Yeah, no rap cap. You can fucking easily hear it more.
Oh, let's go left. Tony Mamo, you're the man. Yeah, guys, this really transforms the driving experience. I'm happy. There's no regrets. Worth every penny. There's a lot of ported throttle body options on the market, but Tony Mamo is definitely one of the most praised. He has a proven dyno sheet. It's proven gains. So you know what you're buying is legit. It's not placebo. And the best of all, dude, no tune required. That sums up today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions regarding the Tony Mamo Porta throttle body, let me know in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys next time.